morning, sis. Hey, listen, this is going to be a different type of video today. As you can see, I ain't playing no games. I'm getting dressed. I'm about to get out here in these streets. I got stuff to go, places to be, people to see. And I'm acting funny today. Look, this is why I'm acting funny, sis. Woo-hoo. They done messed around and sent Auntie one of these bags, honey. If you know, you know. Okay? So we're going to jump right into the unboxing of this bag so I can give you my honest opinion about it. Now, I ain't never did one of these videos here on this channel. Okay? Because first of all, Auntie like luxury taste, but she ain't spending that luxury money. Okay? So if you're like me, this is definitely a great option for you. Now listen, before we jump into this video, I'm going to let you know right now. I'm going to leave all the information to this bag down in the description bar below. So check it out if you are interested, okay? Just check it out. And I got a coupon code down there, and it's called Sharon. So look, I ain't got nothing to compare this bag to, sis, okay? I'm just going to be honest with you, so I'm just going to tell you my opinion of the quality of this bag, not in comparison to anything else, okay? Okay. So here go your little gift bag with the little name and the little logo on it or whatnot. People love these bags and they use them for decor. I don't know why, but hey, to each his own. So in the bag right here, I got this little mesh bag with, I don't know, some little ribbon or whatever with the name of, you know, the bag or whatever on the ribbon. I guess that's like a little keepsake too or whatever. And then, of course, I got like all the little paperwork with it, like a receipt and the information about the bag and the quality of the bag and the care of the bag and just all the things about the bag, honey, okay? In a little packet of paperwork. If you know, you know, okay? So I'm just looking at the stuff because, honey, I don't even know what I'm looking at, to be honest with you, okay? I'm just showing you what I'm seeing as I'm unboxing this box. Now, I did do my due diligence, okay? And I went on a site to do some research so I can compare this bag to something. Because, again, I have nothing to compare this bag to. This ain't my life. You know what I'm saying? But the price is, it could be my life. So, look, okay, little dust bag. Cute. You see the name on it right there and whatnot. Okay, let's get into the bag itself. Again, I'm not going to be comparing this bag to the bag because I don't know about the bag. You know what I'm saying? Now, listen. Auntie like a good handbag, period. Across the board. So I'm just going to be looking at the quality of this bag. Please hear me when I say that. Okay, I repeat. I'm going to be looking at the quality of the bag and how the bag is made. Now, I'm giving you an up close and personal on this bag. Okay, listen. I like the bag, and that's why I told you don't even speak to me today while I'm carrying this bag. Like, I'm going to be acting all the way funny. I'm just letting you know. So, look, the bottom of the bag, the stitching of the bag, to me, looks great. Okay? Now, whoever they are that made this bag made a nice quality bag. Okay? And I chose the black on black because, to me, it's so classy. And it just is subtle, but it's still in your face. And don't talk to me today because I'm finna be acting real funny. Like, that's what it's giving, okay? So let me get on the inside of this bag because for some reason, I'm the inside of the bag person. No, that's backwards, but hey, it is what it is. Again, more little paperwork about the bag, girl. They making sure that, you know, everything looks real. And everything feels real. You know, you know. Okay? Okay. So again, Auntie just looking through the stuff because I don't know. But whatever. I'm just letting you know I love the inside of a bag, period. Whether it be a print, a certain color. I love the inside of a bag. And this inside of the bag is doing it for me. It's orange. Okay, so you got your little luxury tag right here. And it's got the name on there. See that name? Okay, yep, you saw it. And so the bag is orange, though. I'm feeling the inside of the bag. I'm just checking all the stuff, y'all. Look, I know how to look a bag over. Again, I ain't comparing this bag, sis, to the bag. But I'm just looking at how this bag is made. Now, I'm loving the construction of this bag. Everything looks nice and well put together, okay? And I'm feeling it. Like, I'm finna be doing the absolute most with this bag out in these streets. Now, they done sent this bag to the wrong person, okay? Again, if you are like me, you like the look of certain stuff, but you just ain't coming off that money, please go down in the description of this video. I'm telling you now. And go on the site, check it out. Now, let me go ahead and be honest with y'all, because Auntie's honest. Now, when I click on the link that they gave me to give to you, the bag that's going to pop up has a different interior color, and the bag on the site has red stitching, right? So I'm like, listen, let me go ahead and tell my peeps so they don't be thinking, you know what I'm saying, something going on that's funny. I don't know what the bag on the site, if it's a different, like, model, if that's what y'all call these luxury bags, I don't know, or different style. The bag looks the same, but again, the interior of the bag online is going to be like a red pinstripe, and it has red stitching where the black stitching is on the outer perimeter of this bag. Okay, so look, real quick. Got an inside pocket and 2 little slip pockets for your cell phone, credit cards, whatever you want to put in it. Lots and lots of room, honey. Okay, in this bag. You can get a lot of stuff in this here bag. Oh, she loving it. Anyway, so I just want to go ahead and point that out. Now, I went ahead and did a little bit of research because I said, you know what? The people going to want to know, Sharon. Like, listen, you might not own the bag, you know what I'm saying? But listen, at least you can go look the bag up and tell us about that bag. So I go to the site of the bag, and this bag is what pops up. The orange interior, the black on black threading, the LV, everything looks identical to the bag on the site, okay? Now, I feel like if you order this bag from the link that I have down below, you're going to get this bag, not the bag that's on the screen, if that makes any sense, okay? But what I'm telling you, because I'm inspecting this bag right now. I'm all off camera, out of frame. Like, I'm really getting into inspecting this bag and trying to figure these things out, okay? So, again, check down below if you're just go on their site and see all the different styles of bags that they have to offer you. I even went a step further and reached out to some people here on the tube who has also received different bags from this company. I wanted to know about the company. Then I could tell you about the bag I chose. You know what I'm saying? And so I got a 10 out of 10. I got a 10 out of 10 from these bougie on the budget girls here on the tube talking about the bags they received. So I approve. I approve this bag. I love this bag. I am about to get out here in these streets with this bag, and Auntie is finna be a whole mess, okay? Again, she loves luxury, but this price point for this bag in comparison to the bag, Auntie will take this bag any day and look the part, okay? I'm about to be doing the absolute most.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car till you tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bank.
Woo! Girl, let me put on Lip gloss. It's been several hours since I last saw you. And so I went to the nail shop with my new bag and everything. And I was waiting on the news people to, you know, come and look me up, to ask me questions about the bag, but they ain't come, you know, so it's cool, whatever. I got a lot of questions about this bag. A lot of questions. A lot of them I couldn't even answer. But still, she's giving. She's giving. I like her. I like her because she's black. And even though you can see the LV or whatever, the black on black just looks super classy to me. And this is how Auntie was carrying it. This is how it was coming. Like this. Because she was giving. But of course, I showed y'all earlier. I can give you this. Too. Okay. I was waiting for the news people. They ain't come. But it's okay. Now listen. If you interested, sis, just check the link down below. Okay? I approve this bag a 10 out of 10. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. I mean, again, I don't have nothing to compare it to. But as far as the quality of this particular bag, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. I love her. And my code will be down in the description bar as well. And it's Sharon. Okay? So make sure you check down there. Let me go watch my own video and make sure. See what y'all saying. I just came on here early morning to tell y'all that ain't nothing changed. Like, I'm still acting funny. Even today. Even today, sis. Nope. Not playing no games with you, sis, today. I just let you know. You see me out the streets with this bag, just know Auntie's acting funny. She's already told me I'm not going to get offended because she's doing the most with that damn bag. Okay?